This episode on Sailing Popao.
Woohoo! 2! Yes!
$2?
Yep.
Oh, fuck
That's
yeah.
Okay, we are all packed and loaded, ready for a cook up on the beach.
I told you it was a good spot.
G'day everyone, welcome back to another episode of Sailing Popao.
We are in the beautiful Capricorn region and we are going to try and dust off the old crab pots and get a feed.
Michael's promised me to cook up his famous ginger and shallots mud crab recipe, so hopefully we'll get a few because I am hanging out for that so much. So
No pressure.
no pressure at all. We've got the pots in now, they're soaking. I think we can check at 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Yeah, the tide's in the morning, so we'll let them soak overnight and yeah, come join us tomorrow morning and see how we go. Hopefully you've got something. It's on your back, it's on your back! It's on your back. Just kidding.
Oh, it's hot in there. There's a bait in here. Oh, I think there's something in there.
Really?
Oh, little sharks just come out. Oh, you little turd. Ah. That's where our bait's going. At least he's not stuck in our pot. Beautiful shovel-nosed shark there in the shallows. Ever wondered what makes that unbearable sound in summer? Michael was wondering why it was so loud. Look where he is.
Yeah, if that one's making noise.
It just stopped. Look how close he is.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Feeling about this one?
I reckon we're on the money here. Come on, baby. Nothing? Oh, baby. Nothing? Uncut.
Good spot to tie a crab pot off, Michael. Don't make them angry.
You got one?
Oh,
You got 2?
2.
Ooh,
Oh,
I reckon that's
nice.
a buck.
Yeah, he's a buck for sure. That's a buck.
Nice.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! 2. Yes.
$2?
one each. Yep.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
a buck. That one's definitely a buck.
Buck,
I don't even need to
yeah.
check it.
All right, very good.
Oh, this is rusty.
What's rusty? That pot.
Yeah. That is a good buck. Oh, jeez, you keep going in confident there. You just tip them up and shake them into the pot. Wow, that's quick. Yeah, one. So excited about eating crabs. Who brought this guy? Where's the line?
I don't know. Still tied on?
I don't know. Just wondering. Where'd you throw it?
Maybe it's not tied on anymore.
It's in the boat.
Oh, like.
Gumby Owl with Michael Takash. Oh, we got 2 little crabbies. Oh, shit, sorry. Sorry. My bad. I went forward instead of reverse. Alright, we got 1 crab pot to repair and 2 big bucks.
Big bucks, man, bucks.
Okay, we are all packed and loaded, ready for a cook up on the beach. Having crab tonight. Crabby crabs. Oh, she's full. Just scoping out a spot, looking for something with a bit of shade. Maybe down there on those big ones then.
Alright.
Hang on. I'll show you this.
So we have a beautiful big mud crab that we caught the other day. Just going to give it a quick clean here, and then we're going to cook it up Chinese style, ginger and shallot over there on the cob grill.
What's that yellow stuff in there? I know people are going to ask.
That's the tamale, or the mustard they call it. Very adds a lot of flavour to the crab.
What do some people call it?
Tamale.
No, there's another name. I think Jules calls it head cheese.
Head cheese, yeah. It's definitely not the restaurant term for it, I think. Nice little chopping block, this thing.
Perfect.
So good.
So we don't do a heap of cooking outdoors because, to be honest, it's a lot of effort bringing everything in. But secondly, Australia sort of sucks for what you can and can't do, especially in national parks. So you can't have fires, you can't do a whole lot of stuff. We've always had the barbecue on the boat. We couldn't bring it in with us, but we've got this cob grill now, which we love because we can just bring it to shore and you're actually allowed to cook on them in any national park, unless there's obviously a total fire ban or whatever. You get the big claw. Yes, privilege.
Chef's privilege. That's Jess's claw there.
Hold is different. Hold the other one up to compare the sizes. I
Well,
feel getting ripped off here.
They have a crushing claw and a little pincing claw, and that's definitely the pincer, that one. Oh, well.
Alright, let's get stuck into it.
So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly dredge these crab pieces in corn flour just to protect that meat, just to give it a coating so the sauce sticks to it, and then just gives you a bit of crunch and a bit of depth when you're frying it up. So don't need to go crazy.
You're so formal.
What do you mean?
What do you ever mean?
Whatever do you mean? I'm going to do a ginger shallot Chinese style mud crab. I'm going to use the cob grill with the little stainless wok here. Yeah, thanks Dave. He sent us one to try out probably last year. And it's completely replaced our old Magma barbecue off the boat. We've just biffed that, and the best part is we can just take this wherever we want.
I actually sent him a photo and said, I'm about to do a shoot, how do I make the lid look good? And he's like, I've never seen a lid that bad. But look how well it came up. I'll put the photo before. I gave it a scrub with bicarb and detergent and like all good stainless. It just came up perfect.
Look at the midgies, they love it.
The midgies on it.
All over it.
There is a lot of midgies right now.
Crazy. You just sprinkle a little bit of flour on there and see it sizzle. Alright, so I'm just going to, crisp these up. Don't fully cook them, but just get them going, get a bit of coating on them, and then we'll do the sauce and then put this back in after.
For part 2 cooking?
Part 2 cooking. No doubt it'll explode and pop all over me.
It's a given.
And everyone's here to watch hot oil hit my thighs. There we go. Hard when you're cooking fresh seafood because it's got so much salt water in it when you're frying. Really, part cooking, just putting a bit of a coating on there basically, just so it's a little bit crisp. And then we'll put the lid on after and give it a good steam up. I'll put the ginger garlic in first. And then add the shallots. And I'll take out Jessie's hair.
That's the secret ingredient.
So you just fry the ginger and garlic up till that's like aromatic.
That smells
So good. It's like your classic Chinese meal smell. Ginger shallots. I'm just going to add this magic stock in now.
But people could use chicken stock here.
Yeah. So I steamed that crab the other day, and instead of just straight up water, I put in kombu seasoning and a bit of salt. And then all the crab juice that dripped into that made the stock that we're eating today. So crab cooked in crab. It's going to be like mega umami flavour. Alright, I'm just going to chuck that in now. Put the lid on it. Oh, good. And then the last thing to add will be the cornstarch slurry, just to thicken that sauce up and make it stick to everything.
Alright, the midgies are so bad right now. I think I'm just going to take my crab and eat it in the water. There's a perfect table over there.
Spring onions in. That sauce is a bit watery still, so this cornstarch is going to thicken it right up. You'll see that sauce just loop right up. White pepper for a bit of spice, and then finally drizzle sesame oil. And that's it. Rice that we prepared earlier. Yeah, nice. Let's have a look. Oh man, that's so good.
You can really taste the umami.
There's a big Queensland lollipop.
Well, at least we don't have to clean mud crab out of the cockpit when we eat
So you got
on the beach.
You got the rice dripping in that sauce, and then you got a bit of Queensland lollipop. Oh man, that's so good.
We actually ate one of the crabs the other day. We didn't film any of it. Michael just boiled it up for lunch. Couldn't wait. It was the first crab we've eaten in like
A
a year.
at least.
And then yesterday I went to the beach to do a workout, and we went and said hi to the neighbours on the boat, and they were like, oh, we're so sick of eating crab. Do you want this? And we're like, oh, we've already got a couple. And they're like, you'd be doing us a favour. I was like, okay. So we had mud crab for breakfast. Totally spoiled. It's so good. You've outdone yourself yet again. Ah,
What?
midges. They're brutal.
You're paying the fee now.
I think I'm going to finish this in the water.
Really? You'll get eaten by crocs.
There's too many midges. Ah. I'm done. Midges. Get out. Look. I told you it was a good spot. Oh, it's so good. This is living.
You're missing out, I'm telling you now. So, I've got my bar. I did have a seat and a bar to eat at, but I felt way too vulnerable having my back towards the ocean. You can wash your fingers like the little lemon bowl at the Chinese restaurant. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I think we're going to have a fish now, so if we don't catch anything, we'll see you next episode. Right here. That is crazy.
So cool.
The tides up here just blow your mind. And these aren't even big. These are like what, 3-4 meters?
Yeah, not even 4 meters yet. So
Where we used to work in the Kimberleys, 10, 12 meter tides. Insane. Anyway.
Yeah, we almost ran over this today.
Next episode on Sailing Popao.
Been a glorious way to wake up with about 35, 40 knots pumping on the boat. We are on a pretty solid lee shore here.
Oh.
Not such a great idea, that one.
As always, a huge thank you to our current patrons for your ongoing support.